Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We're going to do a simple recipe for you tonight, bruschetta. I'll be right back with you, folks. Hey guys, I got something exciting to tell you. I got called today from Feedspot PC Magazine. They've actually listed me in the top 100 YouTube chefs. It's pretty amazing. I'm excited. It's awesome. I couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you. But we're gonna go and get some of these tomatoes chopped up. These are really ripe, so I hope they actually chop nice. But we're just gonna go ahead and chop these up a little bit. Try not to squeeze it too much that we don't want to saturate it with juice, you know. Because these are juicy. But I'm using Roma tomatoes. I like Romas. Good stuff, baby. But tomatoes are definitely ripe. A little unusual, but you know. Might need to be taller, guys. He's a little bit taller. Could be YouTube's shortest chef. Ah. I thought. But cut the end off. I don't use it. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit of juice out here. And it's really good to have a sharp knife when you're doing tomatoes. Makes your life a whole lot easier. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm actually like 14 spots under Mario Batali. And I'm like 16 spots underneath Emerald Legacy. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go ahead and chop the rest of these up here. I am going to slice a very thin slice of red onion. Not much. I don't want the red onion to overpower the tomatoes. So we're going to dice this small. Keep your fingers back, folks. You look pretty funny walking around without phalanges. Kids used to call their fingers that when they were little. Phalanges. Yeah, plus when you're eating your bruschetta, you don't want to sit there and get a huge chunk of onion. It could be all bad. Look at that. Nice, fine. I'm cool with that. Alright. We're also look at that. The peel comes right off, folks, when you smash it like that. Then you don't get stinky garlic fingers. A little pointer for you. But we're going to use about a half of fresh minced garlic. The other half I'm using for our bread, for our bruschetta, for our French, our French baguette. We're gonna rub the garlic. All right, but let me finish chopping up these tomatoes, folks. I'll be right back with you. How you doing? And I went to multiple stores trying to get fresh basil. Ain't happening. It's a pandemic or something, We're gonna throw some basil in there. And it is actually fresh. Oh, and it smells so good. But was it worth $5? No. Alright, so we got a little bit of pepper, some oregano. We're going to go ahead and throw some Romano in there. Now remember, with your salt, a little bit, folks, a little bit, not a lot. You can always add it. So I'm just going to throw some pink Himalayan in there. And we're going to go ahead and about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're just going to get this all mixed up. That way these flavors can all come together. Oh yeah, look at that. That stuff's amazing. Yep. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to slice our French baguette about a ½ inch. Well, that had a big hole in it. So that one, that's all right. Those are flavor savers. Little pockets in the bread. I should have just used French bread, All right, now we're just gonna dab a little olive oil on these. Throw it on the grill. It's going to give us some grill marks. Hopefully it doesn't stick to the pan. It's sitting there for a minute, heating up, Nothing like getting a bunch of holes in your French baguette. Crazy. All right. That's usually caused by either undermixing or overmixing your dough. But for a buck, probably shouldn't complain. Because that's all it cost, was a buck. Alright. So we're going to let those grill up a little bit. Get some grill marks on there. Look, caught that sucker right midair. Alright. Oh yeah. All you want's the grill marks. I'm going to show you a little trick with that garlic. Well, it's not really hot back there. Yeah, we'll get this thing. Uh-oh. Well, that'll just be munchies. You know, we could still top that baby. All right. I forgot I had the back burner on. Let's throw those back there. Press it down for a second. Oh yeah. There we go. There's my garlic. Show you a little trick that I like doing with my garlic. Yeah. Take your garlic, just gently rub it across that way. Oh yeah. That is so aromatic. A little tired this evening, folks, but yeah. Oh yeah. Ever so slightly. Because that is amazing. Alright. We're going to take this mixture. It's sitting there. Alright, guys. Good. Pop these. And I don't care if the tomatoes fall off. I'm going to eat it anyway. All that goodness. But I'd like to thank you guys again for being with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And thank you guys for all your support. God bless. And I will see you next time.